4,200 miles of roads ranging from mild to wild across 5 states, countless national forests, parks, and national monuments to visit. We load up the family and friends and head off to see what we can see. Iconic views and roads less traveled. Challenges await us, but that's just part of the adventure. This is Ovens Overland. I've been asked many times, how does the hard shell camper go up? How does the hard shell camper go down? Why don't you post any videos of it? Why haven't you done this XYZ? Simply put, normally forget about doing the video until after we've already done the deed of raising or lowering it. Luckily, Nikki was smart enough, got us a good video right here. So as some scrums going on, you can take a look at this. Today we're going from North Rim to a national forest just west of Bryce Canyon. Unfortunately, when we get there, you'll see that there was a fire. I didn't notice that with the satellite photos, so we had to find ourselves a secondary campsite. So, hope you enjoy. That's it. Hope you enjoy.
So we are leaving the North Pim Point. What was it called?
North Temp Point.
North Temp Point. And this is a very bumpy road. And we just had someone pass us. So, and here we go.
It's about 17 miles from the concrete, back and rolling, to the point.
Roger.
Pretty crazy washboards, and a lot of people take like dually trucks with trailers because they go out here for a week at a time or something like that. So like right now it's relatively smooth, it's a flat area, but as soon as we start getting elevation, you can feel where it's just been washboarded out by them just spinning tires to get up here. But I mean, it's not bad. It's just when we first pulled off, we almost rattled off the radio and everything like that because the washboard was so bad. So we pulled over pretty fast, and then okay, I caught up and we're like, I'm in the fog. There's the mist. Okay, clear. But yeah, it's not the worst, but it's definitely could have gone for a light rain to take the dust down at least. So here we are. Harvey's watching a video back there.
Second stop.
Roger. I would say that our drive to Utah was completely eventless. Just a nice, pleasant drive to the next state. Not quite true. I lost my credit card at the North Rim country store. To find it, that it slipped onto my dash and the spot wasn't expecting it when I finally pulled around. So that was a nice little detour. And then this next clip you'll see, we thought something was loose on our roof flopping around. That they saw something glittering in the sun, but it was our vent.
We are heading to Utah. We thought something was flapping, and yeah, but I don't see anything wrong.
After a detour of checking the roof, we make it to Utah proper. Utah was amazing. It's amazing how much of a change happens from Utah to Arizona. It's just. Unfortunately, we didn't get great pictures of this because we had the detour. We were about to take pictures next thing on the radio. Hey, something slapped on your roof. So we went to fix that. Taking a look at the map, you look around for elevation change, tree cover, all this to very good campsites. We think we found the perfect one. We got a high elevation. It's in the woodlines. It's a little bit farther away, so hopefully people won't be there. Good views next to Bryce, national campgrounds, all checking all these boxes. map shows trees. Then we finally get there and we see this.
Yeah, that tree took a hit from the fire. Lightning strike, actually. The way it's all blown out on the side. I can almost see my house from here.
I really hope not.
So we're here, and it's not a good campsite anymore. So our options, we have fire here. Can't camp in that general area, not a lot of coverage. The lake has established campgrounds. You also can't camp with them so close to the water source. So our option is move north to where there's a lot of open land and a lot of MVM roads. After a bit of looking, we finally found this place. It's near the end of the National Forest area, so we can easily hop out and get to the main highway. Decent amount of cover, decent amount of trees. It was good. We even got to camp enough time to rustle this porta poop tent that was not abiding by any of the rules of the porta poop tents.
Take out all the audio to actually post this. The photo doesn't help. I tried it. Okay, are you there? Put the corners together.
Where's the bag?
Right behind you. I will help you. You got it, Rick.
I don't know.
No, she had it. She so had it. Whatever. No, now you don't have
You're
it.
gonna break the side.
Yeah, you had it. Whatever way you did it, it made 3 distinct circles.
Well, I think you need to make 4.
Oh.
See, you make that cornucopia looking thing.
No.
Pretty close.
No.
I don't know where the
If you want it broken.
Oh, okay.
close. That's pull up. No. Yep, maybe.
So we got to that point yesterday. The problem is it's still too wide for the circle.
The bag.
It's got to be
Exactly.
about a third smaller.
Yes.
Yeah.
We don't want to steal their joy yet.
We're close.
Oh, this is joyful right now. What are you talking about?
Quite frankly, in 2 weeks, this could be thrown away. And
Yep.
we'll find one
Are we
that's
gonna put it in our
reasonable.
camper?
We gotta be careful because when you moved it last time, you almost blew out the window, Nikki.
I know. Okay, let's.
Let him go. Okay.
However, got to do a little bit of exploring, walked around, found a couple of bones, a couple of everything you normally find in a national forest. So it was fun.
It's down on the tree trunk. Be careful, good.
I wish our cameras were sensitive enough to pick this up, but there was a weird clicking sound on all the trees that must have been infested with beetles. Odd was an understatement, but it was a great campsite. Gotta cook some dinner, gotta relax. Up next is Escalante National Monument, Petrified Forest, Burr Trail, Capitol Reef, and State Route 95, and we're going to eventually camping just south of Moab.